5 coins to guess in this video. It's the close-up coins game, ladies and gentlemen. Get your 5 coin guesses in the comments. I've not made it easy this time. All 5 of these coins are 50p UK coins. The question is, can you work out what they are? Few little loops of it going around, so you don't really need to pause it. And again, get your guesses in the comment section. We'll go over all of the guesses on Friday afternoon, just after we have done the coin hunt. And again, hopefully you enjoy this game. Not made this one that easy. Hopefully I've tricked a couple of you along the way. I've only ever won once, so this is your chance to make sure you guys at home keep on winning. Can you get them all correct? Again, huge shout out and thank you to everyone that makes the channel what it is today. Without you guys at home, none of this would be possible. Plenty of games. Trying to keep the channel as fun and exciting as possible coming up over the foreseeable future. Hopefully you enjoy this one. This is the close-up coins game. Get all 5 correct. Let's see if you do Friday. Stay safe and as always, guys, thanks for watching.